Alright guys, welcome back to another video. It's your man Jay Will. So the dreaded notch of the iPhone X has hit the OnePlus devices. So supposedly the leaks that are going around show the OnePlus 6 with the same type of deal on the front like the iPhone X. And you know, the back of it though is completely different. It's got like this shiny material on the back. And I kind of wanted to get some of you guys' take on it. What if OnePlus does decide to release this type of design for the OnePlus devices? Is it going to be cool now that the OnePlus devices have it? Because we know sometimes how something can be on one phone, i.e. the HTC U11 with the squeeze function, then it goes, it's lame, but then it goes to another phone, the Pixel, and it's awesome. You know, so let's see how OnePlus fans are going to respond to this. I'm pretty sure some of you guys, if in fact this is a real OnePlus device, it sure looks real. And the person taking the picture is taking the picture with a red OnePlus 5T or OnePlus 5. It's one of those. So it's kind of strange that this design now is just hitting so many phones. But you know, is it good or bad? That's up to the person that's looking at it, you know, through their eyes. But one thing is for sure, that if this is in fact the device, the OnePlus 6, and we know how OnePlus does it, they'll release a phone like once every 3 to 6 months and discontinue the current phone. So they've sold out of the lava red. The white is sold out. Both versions of the white are sold out. They just have the black ones now. It looks like, you know, the regular colors. This phone right here, excuse me, is a step away from what OnePlus has done in the past, period. This is an entirely different device. So I wanted to do just a quick, brief video, very short and to the point. What do you guys think about this type of design for the OnePlus, or does it really matter? I know OnePlus, serious hardcore OnePlus fans are going to have something to say, because most of those guys that I know that have a OnePlus 5T or OnePlus 5, a OnePlus device, they don't like iPhones, and much more. They're going to feel like this design is mimicking the iPhone. So OnePlus owners, what do you think if this in fact is the OnePlus 6? What are you guys going to do? You going to buy it, just run with it because you love OnePlus? Or are you going to say, nope, not buying it, sticking with my OnePlus 5T, my OnePlus 5, or whatever you currently have? It's your man Jay Will. Quick discussion video. Let me know in the comments what you think. Take care.